We were sent these coffee mugs by Ajaria to test out and try, and I'm super excited because we just got them. So I'm opening the box for the very first time. They are already, I'm loving it. I love anything with bamboo. Look at these beautiful bamboo. Love. You know what? Right, the first thing I noticed right off the bat is like how well this bamboo lid sits in here, because we have some other bamboo jars and that lid doesn't sit properly. So look at that. These are 16 ounces, which will be great for your coffee or tea. But you know what I'm most excited to use them for is for overnight oats, right? Make it in here. You've got your lid already. You pop that in there. You bring it out. You've got your little handle and everything. How cute are these? Let's check to see my morning coffee, how it fits in here. Oh, look at this beautiful cup. I absolutely love it. They are dishwasher safe and they're a really nice thick glass. I am a fan.